Hey guys, Bill from HoloModels RC. Today I'm going to share with you my RC Powers V5 Mig-29. I made it completely out of foam board. It's supposed to be depth prime with 2 spars in the wing. I did not use any spars at all. If you build this out of foam board, you do not need to add the spars. The all-up weight is just a little bit higher than it would be with depth prime. This thing's already been in 1 or 2 crashes. I got 3D printed hinges on the ailerons. Originally, I had a 2212 motor in this aircraft. I didn't like how much power I had. It didn't have enough power to get out of like a pickle. So I put a 2836 1500 kV found on Amazon for about $16, $17. I designed and 3D printed the hinges that you see there for the ailerons. The first flights that I flown this airplane had a 2212 with just elevons, and it didn't have enough roll rate, so what I did was cut ailerons into it and set it up as a mechanical 4x4, and it seems to have a much better roll rate now. This motor is capable of 4S. This flight I got a 2200 3S battery in it, just a little bit nose heavy. For this aircraft, if you have it too much nose heavy, it doesn't want to pull up. When I had crashed it, it was because I had too much throw in my elevons, and it acted as like a brake, like an air brake, and it stalled and fell out the sky and hit some corn. So let me get ready to fly this thing for you guys. It's got a 60 amp ESC. I like to use Lemon RX receivers. The prop spins counterclockwise. It's a 7x5. I had a 7x47 on it. I didn't have as much power though, so I took it out, and it seems to fly beautifully on 3 or 4S now with the combination of that motor and that prop in it. Painted it like a Ukrainian Mig-29. You can easily tell the bottom from the top when it's in the sky. Here's my high rates. I believe it's a little nose heavy right now. Yes, it is, just a little bit nose heavy. The last flight, I had the battery farther back. This one I put a little farther forward because it's kind of windy today. I like to fly just barely nose heavy. With these aircraft, I like to rip them around real hard in turns. They pull out of them since they're mid-mounted pushers. Alright, here we go. This airplane actually flies really good slow. It's a little windy today though, to show that to you. You can tell by the speed of that turn I just made. And that's flat out on 3S right there. I'm not using a gyro or anything, that's the wind. There's about 12-mile-an-hour wind today, unfortunately. I think on this 2200 battery I get about 4-minute flight, 4.5 minutes maybe. That's usually about flat out most of the time. That's how I fly. That's it. RC Powers Mig-29 V5 on a 2200 3S battery.